Guess who's back? What's good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing a $2,500 mystery box from our friends, the Sneak City. Whew, this one's gonna be crazy. I'm hoping we can get some dubs, and always remember, y'all, pray for OOS right after this. What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button, because you know it helps out your boy in the YouTube algorithm. Man, it has been almost 2 to 3 weeks from us posting our first video, and there has been a big reason to that. Potentially, she could be making her debut on this YouTube channel, but me and my wife did have our very first kid, so we do want to say apologies for the inactivity. We've done our best to kind of acclimate and get arranged to everything that's been going on, but life is good being parents, and yeah, maybe we'll see her in the next unboxings. Enough being said, we'll go ahead and dive deep straight into this $2,500 mystery box. Like I said, from the Sneak City. You guys have seen them all over YouTube, Instagram. They have been blowing up. Our friends Tia and Anastasia, they have been killing the YouTube game and just like the sneaker game in general. If you guys don't know, the Sneak City, right here, link of all their information. They are 2 women that are killing this sneaker game, and just a way for us to support and get some good content by, you know, purchasing this mystery box. Enough of me yapping, let's get straight into it and we'll open this up. So, like always, we are gonna pop this open and pray that we get something good. Oh, let's go. All right, man. The last mystery box was probably not one of the best that we've seen, so maybe this time it will be a little bit different. So, like I usually do, I will open it up, oh man, I messed this up. Awkward. I think it was like $2,500 plus like, I think like $40 for shipping. I could be wrong though, but let's give you guys a peek first. Let's pop this. All right, do you guys see anything? Do you guys see it? Anything crazy yet? Hopefully everything has pairs. I'll be putting it down here so it doesn't fall like it did before. For the very first pair, this feels to be not an easy box, no wood, but okay. So this is a LeBron James. I think this is a 7, right? Quick stripe, Nike white, metallic gold. RIP Lakers. I'm a big Laker fan. To see what happened yesterday to the Suns. Shouts out to Devin Booker, but damn, so sad that the season's over already. Let's pop this open. I don't really know much about LeBron's. I know that some have some retail value. Okay, these are nice. These look like to be like the Chinese New Year ones, and these are the China Moons. Yeah. Okay, so take a look at these. These are the number 7s. You got that gold white colorway. You also have the LeBron staple signal here, and then I said they're the China Moons because of the emerald that was on the side of them. So overall, these look pretty good. I don't really know resale value, but the good thing is they are dead stocks. They should move pretty fast. Box is in pretty good condition. Let's check the other pair, and all dead stock. So LeBron's, I'm not really into that too much, but they had here at $200, so we'll probably move these for about like $160 to $180, and we'll go ahead and, as you know, keep it here on the counter. Everything that is gonna be available still will be on our website. It's currently down right now, but I think by the time we post this up, our website should be back and running. It'll be at www.ooskicks.com. So let's move on to the next shoe. This looks like to be a empty box for filler, which is great. And then let's open this one. Okay, so we got a Jordan 1 box. It is a size 10, black royal white, and it says here it is the Jordan 1 top 3. So they had this one at $575. Let's pop this. Okay, so this one is a top 3. Let's see how the condition is on this one. So overall, you know, we've seen this time and time again. You got that kind of like the royal blue here, and then the red toe box. Overall, these are pretty clean still, so I'm pretty sure these would fetch a good $1. They're pricing these at $575. Good thing about getting them in mystery boxes, you'll get them for cheaper. Let's see the... Okay, so not much of a heel drag. So these are in pretty good condition. I'm pretty sure we can move these pretty quickly depending on how we price them. But a size 10, Looks like to be no extra laces, but overall pretty good condition. You know, you have that back and forth depending on which shoe you have. You have the blue on this side and the red on the side panel. So definitely a good addition to the counter. We'll add it up right here. Oh, we'll keep it moving. $2,500, we got two good shoes. They're probably at like $700 to $750 of value probably. Let's keep it going. All right. Okay, so this is a Nike SB box. So, it says here this is a Nike Dunk High Premium SB 9.5. I don't really like this era. This was kind of like in the mid 2015 area, I believe. I haven't seen these in a long time. I think these ones are the hacky sack. Pretty cool shoe. It's a Nike Dunk SB. Got that black panel here, and then you have like this pretty cool liner in the middle and on that toe box. Overall, pretty clean shoe. They are used. They were pricing these at $250. I probably price these at like a $175 just because of the year, like how it is and the condition. Pretty good condition though. Let's see. These are. Where is this from? 2013. Exactly what I thought. So overall, pretty good shoe. Add on to the counter. Good to see Nike SBs into mystery boxes. I'm a big SB guy, so just this era wasn't like the best for me, but we'll see what kind of dollar we can fetch on that one. Let's move on. So we got 3 shoes, and we'll pop the next box that is open. Is this another Jordan one? It's not. This is a black Nike box. So this one is another LeBron times Elliott. I remember these, size 10. So pop this. The colorway is white black. Okay, wrapping is pretty good. So hopefully this is a dead stock pair. Okay, I remember these when they came out. Yeah, this is dead stock. Overall, a pretty clean shoe. I remember when this collab came out when LeBron and James Elliott worked at that. I think it's James Elliott, right? But yeah, overall you got that cool, pretty cool toe box. They look pretty comfy, to be honest. I'm pretty sure you could see me rocking these. Like they look like good for casual wear and whatnot. But overall, good quality shoe. You got a dead stock pair, which should move pretty quick if you price it right. I remember that at first they were pretty hyped, and then the hype kind of went down when people started receiving their pairs. So I would say this is about like a $200 shoe, but always great to see dead stock pairs. What y'all thinking so far? Comment down below. We are 4 shoes in. I'm saying we're at a range of about $1,000, so we got a ways to go, but we're gonna keep moving. All right, let's see here. Adidas box. Oh, this is a Boost box. I remember, man, it's crazy to see how all the Boosts are doing now. I wonder if there's gonna be like a pop-off soon coming up with all these shoes. But you got the multi-color size 90. I wonder if this is meant to say size 9. Okay, I remember, oh man, this brings me back to like 2017. You got that multi-color vibes here on the side panel, and then you have the overall toe box that's pretty good, to be honest. Let's say here, dead stock pair. So you could easily price these at like $150 for a dead stock pair. I know that a lot of the shoes came out on market and they're going pretty down. So overall, you know, iconic shoe. Ultra Boost had a pretty big wave. A lot of Nike heads came down to Adidas, including me before. They were jumping on this. So pretty good shoe, dead stock, good to see. Straight to the counter. And I think this one came with a bag. Yes, it did. Came with an Adidas bag. So these will definitely be on the website. Good value, $150. Okay, let's see here. Pop this one. Black Nike box. Oh, I love no Yeezy. That's what I'm talking about. We got an Air Force One mid 07 Supreme. Which one's this one? From 2017? I mean, no, 2007 mids? Is this the red? Okay, so you got that Supreme box paper. You can't really see with the lighting here, but that collab paper. I think I know which ones these are. I remember these. Damn, I remember this came with the jersey back then. All right, so this is a dead stock pair. Pretty much the iconic teams that are on this Air Force One mid. I know you have the Knicks, Celtics, Bulls, Pacers, Detroit, 76. I think the other side too has, yeah. They have the different other colors. You got the Lakers, Spurs, Golden State. Oh man, I remember they also came out with the jersey too. And you got that Supreme right here, that Supreme midsole. These are so funny. I can't believe I've seen these. I haven't seen these in a long time, so that's why that smile's on my face, because I remember trying to hit these on the Supreme website back in the day. But they price these around like $375. I would probably try to fetch like $350, $325 on these. Overall, pretty good nostalgic shoe from 2007. So dope to see. You know, the one thing I've noticed about these Sneak City boxes, they're overall pretty good. Like, all the shoes are generally used or brand new, or if they're used, they're in pretty good condition. So no beaters from Sneak City, so I appreciate that heavy. I think we got 2 shoes left, and this one is a Nike box. Is it? Okay, so this is an Air More 96 Uptempo. Usually don't have Uptempos, but sometimes it's a good money shoe. So I'm not really sure in terms of where we are in value, but we have a used pair of the tricolor Uptempos. So you see the bottom, definitely gonna need a good clean. But overall, iconic shoe. You got that air that runs across this way. You know, that Nike check on the toe box. But not really sure how much these go for. But I would say around like 200 to 205. I would price for. So if you guys are interested, hit us up. If they're not on the website yet, they sure will. All right, one last pair. What we sitting at? I'm hoping this last one is a banger. Comment down below what you guys think so far of the box. I think so far it's been pretty fair. So let's see. Oof, we got one last box. And this is an original box, a pink box from the 05 era. There can only be so many shoes that I know of, and I'm not sure if I know. I'm not even gonna peek, but I'm just gonna look at, we got a size 8. And I'm gonna just pick up this reaction and see what it is. It could be a Stussy, it could be a Tiff. But if it any of those two, hey, we're in a good chance of getting our money back. So I'm gonna flip it. I'm not gonna open my eyes. What is it, y'all? What is it? Let's go! Let's go! Oh my goodness, we have an iconic shoe right here, a size 8 Nike Dunk SB Tiffany. Oh my goodness, I have 2 pairs. I got a size 10 and a 10.5, and to see these in a mystery box, guys, come on, let's just throw this price right here that's on StockX for a dead stock pair. But let me check this out real quick. Okay, so oh my goodness, this is a solid box. I think easily you can get like $1,200 to $1,500 for this specific shoe. I'm heavy into SBs and I know how much they still go. Oh my goodness. Tia, Sneak City, Anastasia. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. So you could tell on SBs, especially when they're fake, but you just have that glossiness here. Originally, you know, a lot of these swooshes I've talked about in my videos, they do start peeling like you see on this pair right here, which could diminish the value of how much they are. But these are solid. And the size 8 is a good size. Let's see the heel drag. So you have a little bit of heel drag on this pair, so this is the right pair. But overall, this is such a clean shoe. There's no like definitive damage yet in these in the swooshes. So I'm very, very happy with this box. Damn. Now this is what I'm talking about. $2,500. Woo! I take off my hat for this one. I'm very, very happy with this. Oh my gosh. So comment down below what you guys think about this box. But damn, we got a banger. And I'm very happy, yo. Oh man. Overall, I'm looking at this, and a lot of this box is gonna depend strictly on this Tiffany sale. So I'm gonna put these up and see exactly how they do. But wow, that is a good box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shoes. A lot of them are gonna be quick movers. I'm not doubting that at all. And this is just exciting, man. These mystery boxes, you know, Sneak City is probably one of the best in the games, and you've seen all their videos. So definitely gonna be purchasing from them in the future, and you guys should check them out because you saw the box themselves, and this is crazy. With that being said, stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna keep it moving with these mystery boxes and unboxings, and you know, always remember, stay in stock with OOSKicks. Peace!